In this video, I will show you how to download and install Bricscad. What is Bricscad? Basically, is an alternative solution to AutoCAD, and it's much more cheaper in terms of prices. So if you go here to the store directly, so let's open up the store page here in the Bricscad website. So this is the prices for Bricscad software, and you can try one of these if you want. You can download the trial version, and now I will show you the AutoCAD, which is the most important software for CAD, which is computer-aided design. And if you see here on the pricing options, yeah, that's it. That's the price. So Bricscad is much more cheaper. It's about half of the price, but it's essentially pretty much the same. So if you are looking for something really similar to AutoCAD, I think this is the first choice, because again, it's if you see some screenshots here, you can see that it's identical. You have the ribbon on the top, you have the panels on the right. So everything looks exactly like AutoCAD, but costs half of the price. And you also have some free alternatives, which are Librecad, which I have talked in another video, and it's a completely open source and free. You can download it for free and install it. Just check the other video in our channel. And also you have FreeCAD, which is also a completely free option and alternative. And Librecad has only the 2D part, the 2D CAD available, while FreeCAD has both the 2D and the 3D. So you can create not only bidimensional drawings, technical drawings, but you can also develop some 3D modeling, 3D models. And so just if you want, you can check the other videos that we are dedicating to other CAD software. In this video, we will concentrate on Bricscad. So if you want to download the test, the trial, you can go like that, and you can access here the free trial. You have to sign up to download, and you can choose also a Facebook account or a LinkedIn account. So in this case, I will continue with a Facebook account. Okay, and let's move on. Sorry, this is in Italian, but it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. So here I will insert some other information. Yeah, whatever. Don't know about this. And okay, now let's move on. You must insert some other information here. Let's save it all. And there you go. This is the download page. Choose your operating system. In my case, is Windows. And you can also select the language. In this case, I will select English for you, not Italian. I've done another video guide for Italian language speakers. Okay, let's click here on the download. And there you go. So it's pretty simple. Now let's download this into the folder, the download folder. Let's save. And it will not take too long. Well, it's 492 megabytes, so you just have to wait a bit, not too long. It takes about 5 or 10 minutes to download if you have a nice bandwidth, ADSL, and you can check some tutorials here. So they have a nice page with tutorials. You will find a lot of tutorials also on the web. explaining to you all the different topics and tools and commands of the software, and just to let you see how much it's similar to AutoCAD. Let's see the interface of AutoCAD right here. So as you can see, they are pretty much the same. So if you are already an AutoCAD user, or you used AutoCAD in the past and you want to just start again, just give a try to the Bricscad application before spending a lot of money. Of course, AutoCAD has its own features, and it's probably again the best, but we are talking about balancing the quality and the functions with the price. Okay, also here you have on the Bricscad website here. Let's get back. Search for Bricscad, which is the software house for Bricscad. Also, you have other software, not only CAD, so not only computer-aided design, but you also have some BIM application. Let's see if they load up here. Seems to be like stuck a little bit. So let me go directly to the BIM. There we go. So this is the Bricscad BIM. And this is, and again, an alternative to another very important Autodesk software, which is Revit for architecture and engineering, and so on. So this is Revit right here. And I've already made some video courses about AutoCAD and Revit in my channel. Unfortunately, they are in Italian, but if you show me some support, if you write me on the comments, and if you want me to create some new video courses about this Autodesk software, you want to support me, please write me, and perhaps in the near future I can make some nice AutoCAD and Revit video courses for you. Okay, so now the software is almost there. Let's see where it is. Okay, there you go. So this is the installation file. I double click on this in the download folder and I install it. And let's go through together this really quick wizard. Just hit yes, yes, next, and install. And let's add some shortcut on the desktop, next. And I have an SSD hard disk, so it's pretty fast to install it. Of course, I suggest you buy some nice and fast SSD. Okay, let's say yes. There you go. So you can see it's pretty fast. And within few minutes, we will jump right into the software. Okay, so in the meanwhile, I will do a little bit of sponsor. If you go in my YouTube channel, which is JBDTube, you will also find some courses in English. So if you go here on the playlists, on the home page, also you will find these English video courses here. And I have a video course in Redshift for Cinema 4D, video course of Matbox, Autodesk Matbox for 3D modeling and sculpting, and also Fluid Ray. I suggest for architects and interior designers who work in architecture, but only in jewelry design, and it's also pretty nice. It's a really easy and fast and cheap render engine that you can use. You can see here all the playlist, and there it is. It's pretty simple to use. I suggest you give it a try. And also I have some Cinema 4D and 3D Studio Max, Autodesk 3D Studio Max video courses. So just take a look And now let's get back here to the installation, which is finished, and let's launch Bricscad. And this is the icon right here. You can double click on this to open it, and you can use it for 31 days, as you can see, before the license expires. And you can see here also you can use it for 2D and 3D and also BIM. So in this case I just want to show you the basics, so let's start with the 2D drawing. Let's wait some more seconds here, and I will delete this. Actually, I like to keep this in my start menu, so I right click and I bring this to the start menu. Okay, now this is the interface right here. We can click on new drawing right away. It opens up real quick. It's really fast and really quick to use, and this is the interface right here. So let's pick a line and I can start drawing right away. I have all my smart guides, my snaps, everything is already activated. I can just start drawing right away like that. Pretty nice, pretty simple. Down here you can see you have the layouts just like AutoCAD, and down here at the bottom you have the snaps, and it looks really identical to AutoCAD, really. So I don't have to do much explaining. If you know how to use it, if you know how to use AutoCAD, you will really find no difficult at all. And there's the lines, the polyline, all the shapes that you can create. Let's create a circle, for example. Pretty nice, pretty quick. You have the dynamic input as well, so you can, for example, insert a value inside here, 100, and hit yes, and I have moved this line 100 from the circle. Also, you can click here, you can type 120, so these are millimeters, should be millimeters. And you can also activate the grid, which makes it a little bit much similar to AutoCAD, and activate the snap. In this case the snap is on the grid, so well, it's not on the grid yet, but I can set the snaps here by right clicking here, settings, and these are all the snaps. So you can choose which snap you want to use. Well, I will not go into deep with this in this introduction. I just want to show you that it's really identical to AutoCAD. And you have all your tabs here in the ribbon, which looks identical to again AutoCAD. So you can find the software also here in the start menu. And I also want to show you quickly Librecad, which I already talked into another video, but just to show you the difference. This is a completely free tool, but it's really old looking, and it's like the old way of AutoCAD. It's you know, it's enough if you have to do some small projects, some easy projects, but if you want something more professional, I definitely suggest you use Bricscad. So this is all for this guide. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you subscribe and you leave comments and suggestions, you ask some questions, show me some supports again, and we'll do many more videos in the future. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.